Oh my gosh, this is called the Dizzy Bike. Let's just go into it. This is gonna be freaking hilarious. I think I'm gonna get dizzy. All right, so it's just basically around 2 cones every single time. Bunch of left-handed U-turns every single time. So now it's around these 2 cones. So I can pretty much keep my body positioning. Now it's around these 2 cones and then it's an exit. So I keep like my chin on my left shoulder the whole time. 29.37. Oh geez. All right, so let's do that again. That was a good familiarization. Let's go ahead. Let's see if cutting it close is better. That wasn't close enough, but that works. Let's cut it close. So now what I'm trying to do is reduce distance versus increase speed. So I do go a little slower, but it's reducing the distance traveled versus increasing speed. So I'm just testing that out. 27.20. So now I'm going to try to increase a little bit of speed while maintaining a lower distance. So here we go. And how do I do that? Well, during the turn, I just do slow, but then here, speed. And then a little bit of rear brake to slow me down. Or front brake, speed, slow it down. So here I can give it some speed probably. So speed, slow it down. And then speed. 26.1, I don't remember what my time was, but I hope it's better. But that was a lot of fun. So 26.1, let's just say that's the best time. I'll take a look at the other ones.